In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple budget and expenses tracker with linked databases. We'll set up two tables, connect them, add the right properties, calculate your remaining budget and spending progress, and finish with a clean monthly summary you can check at a glance. Start by creating two table databases. The first is categories, which holds your budget amounts for things like groceries, rent, or transport. The second is expenses, which captures each individual transaction. Keeping budgets and transactions separate makes everything easier to manage and report on. Next, link the two. In the expenses database, add a relation property that connects each expense to a category in the categories database. Make sure the relation is two-way so each category automatically shows its related expenses. This connection is what allows rollups and formulas to do the heavy lifting for you. Now set up your properties. In categories, add a budget property and set it to number. Create a spent property as a rollup. Point it to the relation that connects to expenses, choose the amount property from expenses and set the calculation to sum. This will total everything you've spent in that category. Then add a remaining property as a formula and set it to budget minus spent, so you can immediately see what's left for each category. In expenses, keep the name as your title field, add a date property to record when the purchase happened, an amount property set to number, and a category property that uses the relation you created. Consistent entry here ensures your rollups stay accurate. To track spending progress, create a formula that divides spent by budget and multiplies by 100. This gives you a clear percentage of how much of the budget you've used. If your tool supports it, format it as a percent and include a simple safeguard for empty budgets to avoid divide by zero errors. Finally, build a monthly summary view on your main dashboard. Create a linked view using either a gallery or a table, depending on what you prefer. Show the categories with budget, spent, remaining, and progress, so you get a quick health check of each category. Add a filter or grouping by month based on the date in your expenses, so the numbers reflect the period you care about. Sort by remaining or progress to surface the categories that need attention first. That's it, your budget system is connected, calculated, and ready for everyday use. Thanks for watching.